Find the value of A, B, C, D. Adding one's digits. Three times 4 is 12, we write 2 in units place with a carryover of 1 to tens place. Find C, such that 3 times C is a number ending in 0. There is no value of C satisfying C times 3 equals number ending in 0. So we take back D equals 3. Let us plug in D equals 8. For times 8 is 32, write 2 in one's place and carry over 3. Find C such that 3 times C is a number ending in 8. Plug in C equals 6. 3 times 6 plus 3 equals 21. Write 1 in the tens place and carry over 2 to hundreds place. Find B such that 2 times B equals 8. Two plus 2 times 4 is 10, write 0 in hundreds place and carry over 1 to thousands place. If B equals 9, A equals 0. Leading digit of 0 has no value and hence we shall reject B equals 9.